Why everybody hates chair pose? Well, I don't know about hate, that may be a strong word, but it's funny because I have been teaching yoga for over 7 years now. And usually when I take people into chair pose, I kind of see that their smile is inverted. And I'm usually joking about this, saying, hey, put a smile on your face, it really helps. Actually, it does, try it out. But the thing is, it got me thinking, why is it that we don't like it that much? And my understanding is that we need flexibility in order to get into the pose. And at the same time, it's requiring us to engage a lot of different parts of our body, right? So simple thing, you can have like ankle immobility that already refrains you from entering the pose. Or you can have hip inflexibility that, again, refrain you from getting into the pose. So just requiring a lot of flexibility in different part of the body and strengthening at the same time. The other thing that I understood is that not a lot of us actually use their quads muscles so much. And therefore, when we get into the pose, which you know very well what it is, it's to sit back, pretend that there's a chair behind you, and keep your spine long, your chest open, and your shoulders open, right? Well, when we get into this pose, it puts a lot of emphasis on our quad muscles, which can build a lot of intensity and therefore a lot of heat inside of the body. And that could be one way where we don't like it so much. But you know what? The more we practice it, the better we get at it. And ultimately, the whole body benefits from it. So, you know what? Learn to like it, and then you benefit from it as well.